don't want to speak so much about artists kuba munaiba artists bangu nnyo misunderstanding nga lwenasembayo kwogera ne ba artists bagamba nabavumye naye ngambera mbagamba amazima kuba oluvannyuma lwa byonna nabo bennyini bajja kukiraba ensonga lwaki ba artists abamu basirise kuba bali bought out. You remember there was 30 billion that was passed some time ago for apparently developing artists. Up to now, they cannot tell you what that money did. There was an effort to push for the copyright law to be amended. Esobola okuyamba ba artists. Naye ba artists baba keeping nga ba beggars. So many of them are being used by the regime. No wonder you'll find them even when they know the truth. Ojabasanga ngate balwanyisa amazima. But we salute those that have stood for what is right. Mwebali tuyinza obutabogerako nze kati ba artists abamu bambi mba saagala baleetera bizibu kati saagala kwogera ku mwana ono muto Azawi naye alina obwongo buli nga bwa muntu wa myaka 50 kubanga alaba ebintu nabyogera and she's a girl, she doesn't need so much as a star. So we salute you, young lady, and many other artists abayimiridde ku mazima. Nati we also have senior artists that would have otherwise used their voices nga tebalina kye beetaaga, but they prefer comfort. They prefer to be comfortable. They are silent about the pain of their people until they are the victims. So while I salute the artists that have stood with their people, I know that some artists ought to look deep into their conscience and know that it is these common people that helped them rise. And if your people are not okay, you're also not going to be